In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove age restrictions on YouTube in 2023. Age restrictions can be limiting, especially when you want to access certain content that is deemed suitable for mature audiences. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can follow to bypass these restrictions and enjoy the content you want. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap General. Now you'll see an option called Restricted Mode. To remove age restrictions on YouTube, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.